32.1. Hunting can explain how humans developed reciprocal altruism and social exchange. Humans seem to be unique among primates in showing extensive reciprocal relationships that can last years, decades, or a lifetime. Meat from a large game animal comes in quantities that exceed what a single hunter and his immediate family could possibly consume. 32.2. Furthermore, hunting success is highly variable. A hunter who is successful one week might fail the next. These conditions encourage food sharing from hunting. The costs to a hunter of giving away meat he cannot eat immediately are low because he cannot consume all the meat himself, and leftovers will soon spoil. 32.3. The benefits can be large, however, when those who are given his food return the generous favor later on when he has failed to get food for himself. In essence, hunters can store extra meat in the bodies of their friends and neighbors. 32.1. Many evolutionary biologists argue that humans developed language for economic reasons. We needed to trade, and we needed to establish trust in order to trade. Language is very handy when you are trying to conduct business with someone. 32.2. To early humans could not only agree to trade 3 wooden bowls for 6 bunches of bananas, but establish rules as well. What wood was used for the bowls? Where did you get the bananas? 32.3. That business deal would have been nearly impossible using only gestures and confusing noises, and carrying it out according to terms agreed upon creates a bond of trust. Language allows us to be specific, and this is where conversation plays a key role. 34.1. The last 2 decades of research on the science of learning have shown conclusively that we remember things better and longer if we discover them ourselves rather than being told them. This is the teaching method practiced by physics professor Eric Madger. He doesn't lecture in his classes at Harvard. 34.2. Instead, he asks students difficult questions based on their homework reading that require them to pull together sources of information to solve a problem. Mazur doesn't give them the answer. Instead, he asks the students to break off into small groups and discuss the problem among them. 34.2.3. Eventually, nearly everyone in the class gets the answer right, and the concepts stick with them because they had to find their own way to the answer.